Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will be talking about how to restore a deleted item in your Shopify store. If we accidentally remove a product or item from our store, we will discuss how to recover it on Shopify. Now let's get started. If we accidentally remove or delete an item in our Shopify store, unfortunately, it cannot be undone or recovered. All we can do is check if we have a backup saved on our end. If we do, we just need to re-upload the item. Shopify will show a warning before removing an item, letting us know that this action cannot be undone. Any media used only by this product will also be deleted. This means it cannot be reversed once confirmed. Shopify does not keep a backup for us, so deleted items will not be recovered by Shopify. If we have a backup, all we need to do is upload it back to the store. The key takeaway here is simple. If we ever need to restore a deleted item in Shopify, always make sure to back up product and store data regularly to avoid losing important information.